I repeat, the bottom line is consumer's perception, and your job is to make sure that to what extent this particular factor can be influenced via your innovative positioning strategies. Now I want to bring this particular term into awareness, sensation. Okay, you must have realized that most of the brands target two of our sense organs, ears and the eyes. Most of the communication, most of the marketing communication target eyes and the ears. But what we don't realize that if you target the other sense organs, it becomes very, very effective. Research studies have claimed that deploying an ambient scent in a perfect retail setting enhances consumers' willingness to pay and consumers' willingness to shop more at bulk. This is what research studies have said. This is another research study which I would like to bring to your awareness, that is Vegas. Vegas Casino. Most of you must have heard about it. It is said that if you deploy this lime scent in that particular setting, it enhances, it works in the mind and it enhances our ability to take risks. This is what research studies have claimed. I mean, it doesn't make sense to us logically, but this is what research studies say. Once you inhale lime scent or anything to do with lime, that pungent smell, you tend to spend more. So they do this in that particular casino. I'm having that first-hand experience. I've been to that particular casino, Las Vegas Casino. I walked in that particular hall. Trust me, the aura is set up in such a way wherein you just feel like emptying your pockets. You feel like spending. That's how the aura is set up. Because I'm a meditator, I was able to control my senses, but the reality is that's how it is set up. What is the key word that we need to keep in mind? Persuasion.